dregs, and leave not a stain intact. The war is upon you. War around and within you. You are submerged in war, so totally now. There is no escape. Like a cancer, it has taken hold on you. It has crept stealthily among you and been entrenched. No force on earth can remove it, and no force in heaven will. For we, the Spirit, give man what he demands. We do not give what he pretends to want. When man puts on airs and cries, screams, begs for peace and life, and he claims that his desire is to live in harmony. Yet he sees no woman.